Welcome to our showcase of the 12 by 12 by 8-inch chrome mini wire grid basket, designed for wire grids. This sturdy basket is perfect for organizing and displaying retail store supplies efficiently. Its chrome finish offers a sleek, modern look that complements any store layout. The compact size allows you to maximize space while keeping items visible and accessible. Easy to install on standard wire grids, it provides versatile storage solutions. Whether you need to hold small merchandise or keep tools handy, this basket adapts to your needs. Upgrade your retail space with this durable, practical wire grid basket today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.